In this exam, I'm going to show you how to calculate the distance of 2 points. We have, look at an example here, looking for a distance between A and B, or a distance between B and A. So I have 2 points. So I label this point is point A, and I label this point as point B. So what that means is right here I have we have x1 and y1, and right here I have x2, y2. Now it does not matter which point you call A or B. It doesn't matter. The answer is the same. So I'm using the distance formula. Okay, now we have x2, which is 3, minus x1, which is 9, square, plus y2 is 2, right here is y2 is 2, and minus y1 is 7. Every number you put a square here. Now you can simplify. So I got minus 3 minus 9 is minus 6 squared. Please be careful. You always keep the parentheses down the way you did. And then the same here, I have minus 5. Now, because of the square here, no matter what you square in your base here, it's always guaranteed you have positive. That's why it's important to put brackets like that. This here means you got minus 6 times minus 6. Your base is minus 6. Same thing as minus 5. So you know that when you finish the calculation inside the square root, you always have a positive number. So here I have 36 plus 25. You see, because of this square here, it's guaranteed that whatever inside here, whatever the outcome, always positive. And you have plus sign here. So when you finish the inside the square root here, you always have a positive number. If you have a negative number coming out, that means there's something wrong with your calculation here, that you make a mistake. So I'll try to go back and maybe you can look and see where you make a mistake. So I have 36 plus 21 is 61. I don't think I can simplify the square root by take a square root of this. So if you want to find this, so this is your answer as the exact value. But you want to be approximate, then you have to put this in the calculator. So let's do that. So I put in the calculator, I come out with 7, approximately 7,810. That is the distance. Let's try one more example. I have 2 points on the rectangle coordinate, point minus 3, 5, 7, minus 1. So I'm going to call this is point A. And we call it point B. So this means I have x1, comma, y1 here, and then I have x2, comma, y2 right here. And I'm using a distance formula that we studied. So all you have to do is substitute the value inside the formula right here. So I have x2. x2 is 7. I want to use different formula you can see. Then minus, this formula here is minus x1. x1 is minus 3. So I have minus 3 square plus y2. y2 is minus 1 then minus y1. y1 is 5. And then square. Now I'm going to simplify. So we got now 7 minus 3. So this will the minus with this minus here cancel out, become a positive. So we got 10. Okay, 7 plus 3 is 10. Square plus minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6. Square. Now remember, because you square your base here, you see right here your base is 10, but here your base is minus 6, because you square here, result is always positive. So 100 here, because 10 squared is 100. Right here have a positive 36. Okay, so you see that when I square the number in here, this really matter you have a positive or negative, you always have positive here. You see, and then you also have addition right here. So when you add these two numbers, you always have positive. So if you have a negative come out, that means there's something wrong with your calculation. So add together, I have the square of 136. So let's see if I can simplify 136. And to simplify the square root, let's do that. To do it a long way. It's an easy way to do by take up 136 out and you break them into a prime number. So this is even number, so therefore I know it's always divisible by 2. All even number always divisible by 2. So I take that divided by 2, I got 68. Now 68 also even number, so therefore I can simplify it more by divide by 2. Because I know, so now with 2 times 68 is 136. Now I'm breaking down more here and say divide by 2. So I have 68 divided by 2. I have 34. So now we're 34 times 2 is 68. Now I'm going to stop. If you like, you can stop here and then simplify, because I see that this is going to break it down as 992, and then you have like 17, I believe, because 17 times 2 is 34. And you see that 17 is a prime number. There's no way I can break it down anymore. So I'm going to stop here, or you can start from here by seeing that 34 it actually comes from 2 and 17, and 17 is prime. So no way I can break it down. So now square roots. So remember, square roots, you take, this means this number here composed out of 2 times 2, this here, this 2, this 2, you pick out a prime number, and times 17. Alright, and then the square roots, what we do is we take the pair of the 2, and then this here come out as 2. And then you left the 2 and 17 inside. There's no way I can get square root of 2 and 17. So now all you have to do is take 2 times 17, you get 34. So that's how you simplify the square root. First, break down this number into prime and rewrite like that, and you group each number by 2. So I got 2 here already, and this one I can really group because I don't have anything in a pair to group with. And this here come out as a 2. Well, pick only 1 2, and the leftover you multiply, stay inside. Okay, so this is your value, the distance between the 2 points is the exact value. If you want it to be approximate value, then you can take the square root of 136 by using your calculator. So it's approximately 11.6619, approximately.